everyone, it's Raleigh, and today I'm planning my Hobonichi Cousin for the week of November the 20th. And I hadn't posted any video last week because I was on vacation, which I am this week as well, but last week I actually went away to the Dominican Republic and it was great. I got back late yesterday. So I had done just this little spread, but I hadn't filmed it. And this is what I took with me when I went away. I didn't want to take the cousin in case it got lost or wrecked. But yeah, I just took my traveler's notebook and one of the regular kind of line notebooks for it and did a little bit of journaling there, which I'll transfer over to some of the dailies, as well as it was just a place to make some notes and get some thoughts out. So I thought I'd quickly share that. And now on to this week, which again, I am on vacation this week as well. And I thought I'd use, this is the subscription kit, I believe from October from Coffee Monster Co. So I thought I'd use this one. I really, really like the look of it. So let's get started here. And yeah, I think I'm going to start with this really beautiful washi tape that has gold in it. It's really, really pretty. So we'll get this laid down. And I hadn't been away in years, and so it was a wonderful week away in the sunshine with one of my best friends, and it was just amazing. And yeah, I got back late last night, and now it's nice to have this next week off as well. I haven't taken 2 weeks together in quite some time. I used to do it once a year. I really like the combo of kind of going away for a week and then having a week at home. So yeah, and this week this week should be good. It was kind of nice though, the time away. It was a lot of just beach time relaxing, but gave me a chance to think. It had been such a busy couple of months especially, so it was nice. But with this week, there's a few things I want to get done and that I've kind of been excited about, thinking about, and just being able to decompress. I've been able to relax a little bit, so I think I'm going to, and so I've got the washi. I think I'm just going to use just the days of the week. So yeah, I'm looking forward to this week. I have a few things that I'd like to do, but I'm not going to put a ton of pressure on myself. But I feel like I'll want to do more because I am feeling more relaxed finally. Here we go. Yeah, I think I'll use these ones. And it's also unusual because usually when I do have one of these kind of stay-at-home weeks off work, it's filled with different appointments and things that I needed to do. I do have one tomorrow, but that's the only thing I actually have to do and go to. I will hopefully be seeing friends and family, but it's the only actual appointment I have somewhere else. So it should be a nice week. And I think I'm going to use this, and I'll probably cover up that kind of regular emoji, but I'll use this to mark that it's my vacation again. Yeah, so today, hopefully I just got back to my own home today with my cats who my parents looked after, which is great. I got groceries and kind of the basic stuff. I still need to unpack and do laundry, but that's a nice thing. I can probably get that done tomorrow, and maybe, have my appointment, and maybe the only other couple errands I really want to do for sure this week, and then I'll have the rest of the week open. Let's see if I find another arrow. Yeah, so it was just really nice to have the break, and I came back feeling kind of excited and good about things, and I think it was just a great stress relief and nice to relax and to laugh, and we met lots of really nice people, and I think you need that once in a while. I do take let's see, maybe we'll put this, that was this deco, it's a little, okay, they're transparent. Maybe I'll get another one that's a little bit not quite as see-through. What was I saying? Yeah, so having this week is great because I can hopefully catch up on a few things. I do take my weeks off regularly, even though I hadn't been going away anywhere because it hadn't kind of worked out until now. And it is important and I need them, but this 2 weeks in particular came at a very good time. And so now I feel a little more, oddly kind of relaxed and energized to hopefully get through the year end, because I am a little in shock that we're past the halfway point in November and the holidays are coming up, and I've actually only got a few weeks that I'm back at work. And then I'm gonna have, looks like I'll have a bit of an extended break over the holidays too. So yeah, I just want to focus on some basic things and then also do some planning and thinking for next year. Something else that's going to be on my list for this week is I think I've got everything in to set up my cousin for next year. So hopefully I'll do that, as well as hopefully some pieces for my traveler's notebook too. All right, yeah, and I like that globe too. I do also have the stamp stickers that came, so I might use some of those. We'll see, but I might not. I might kind of spread out this theme over another week as well, maybe in December. And my one appointment, I think I'll use that highlighty color. Yeah, I think that'll be a good one. I want to keep this week a little more kind of subtle too, but I love this kind of old world. It's got a bit of a travel theme to it. I just really, really like it. And so my plan for this week is just to put some kind of categories along the bottom of things that I want to do and I want to work on, and then I'll use the todays, and I'll just kind of pick day to day what I want to get done and hopefully find a good balance of things. So I think along the bottom, I think I'll just use, rather than labels, I'll just use this again, and I'll just, I think, just write the headings in. And I think I've got a couple orders coming in too. I got an order actually before I left from the Blueberry Papeterie, the stickers that I'm using for my traveler's notebook. And then I think I've got a couple more Coffee Monster Co. things, but I think I've got pretty well everything I need to do the main setup for 2024. So yeah, hopefully I can have a few hours this week and do that. I really enjoy it, so I don't want to rush it, so I'm sure that I'll have a little pocket of time where I can do that. And please, in the comments, let me know what planners you're using. And I've spoken about this before. This cousin has just been ideal for me because I work at home, and it's got, to me, just the right balance of, I like having the monthly, I really like the weekly, and doing the daily journaling as well. But I've seen some people, other people do incredible things in the cousin, but also, seeing a lot of other planners as well. And yeah, I'm always impressed. I think it's just about finding what works for you. And I was just very fortunate that this, up until now, I'd only used the Traveler's Notebook, which was good, but now using this and still using the Traveler's as well seems to be a good combo. I did end up, I had been using a couple weeks, Hobonichi weeks, this year a little bit, but I found that with the cousin, I don't really need that. So I'll just kind of more be focusing on this. So yeah, so I'll do home, wellness, finance, which are actually the three main kind of categories I had for this year, which I think I'll continue for next year. And usually every month or so, I kind of have a week where I sort of check in on those things. And I think I might, there's a few other things I want to get down, so maybe I'll use up all of these and fill in some other pieces as well. And I've started to watch a few. I know a few people have started to do their setups for next year, so looking forward to watching a few more of those things. Although I have to say, one of the things about this past week was I did have my phone with me, but mainly just to check for texts if there were any, important issues that were coming up. But other than that, I really was not, and I didn't take my iPad with me. So it was nice to disconnect as well, because I work a lot on the computer too, and I'm on the iPad a lot. So it is one of the things I'm going to try and be more conscious of, especially this week too, is kind of not being on quite as much. I do have the things I enjoy watching. It's just more the time that I'll go on the iPad or the phone for a few minutes, and all of a sudden an hour has gone by. So I just want to be a little more thoughtful about, I know what streamers I like to watch. I know what kind of videos I tend to watch each week. So I want to, I'll still do those things, but I'm going to try to stay away from just sort of, surfing or drifting or going down rabbit holes. We'll see how that goes. Yeah, I'll put some things to read and watch. I brought a couple of books with me, which was nice too. So I want to get back into that routine as well. And I think up here, I'll just put maybe priorities, just a couple of main things I want to focus on. And yeah, I'll see 1 or 2 other stickers, I think, and then some deco pieces, and that might be it. Gosh, I really do like these colors though. Really, really nice. All right. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna use these Today stickers, which have become kind of one of my favorites. So I will put these on for the week. And yeah, every morning or evening or morning, I'll decide what I'm gonna do each day. All right, I just went ahead and finished putting the Today stickers on, and now I'm trying to think if there's any other stickers. I probably want to go lighter on generally, but I do want to put this box. I do find that I like having this list box on for the weekend. It's a good place to do a bit of a catch-all for anything that's still to do, or sometimes just messages of encouragement to myself. And I think the only one other I know on, yeah, Friday, my recycling pickup. And I think I might put a phone on Monday as well. We'll see. All right. Yeah, I think, let me see. I wanted to get these stamp stickers were also part of this. Oh yeah, I wanted to put the heart because I will go see my family tomorrow. Yeah, I'm going to move that down. And then I'm also going to put the telephone. This has become one of my favorites. I just ordered some more of these. I love this because these are kind of old-timey phones, but I like it. I'm just going to call on my close friends to catch up after my vacation. And yeah, and these were the stamp stickers, and they're so nice. There's a lot of cool different designs. I know there's some that kind of are like a plannery ones. I'm not sure. Let's pull one out and see how it looks. I'm kind of liking the way this looks now though, so I don't know if it'll be too much. I might just put some of the other regular deco stickers. See. Yeah, you know what? I think I'm gonna wait. I am gonna use this kind of theme again, and maybe I'll use a few more of them then. So yeah, we'll save that one. And we'll just put a couple more of these really nice deco pieces down. I think I'll only use some, and that way I'll probably do another week around this theme too. And I'm excited to see what I've really been enjoying the subscriptions from Coffee Monster Co. So I'm curious and excited about what they'll be for next year. Yeah, that's perfect because I do have some planner work I want to do. It's beautiful with the fountain pen. And I think I'm just going to grab a couple other smaller. Oh, I want to do something maybe to cover up that regular emoji. Yeah, that one. Maybe I'll put this here, and I'll find another one that might cover that one up a little better. Let's see what else we have. Oh, okay, I think this will work. There we go. Cute little stamp. Nice. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do a couple other little pieces, and it'll just be a matter of starting to fill some stuff in. Yeah, I'm just gonna grab a couple of these little ones and sprinkle them around. And having these subscriptions is great too, because they all have a different theme, so it gives you another kind of something a little bit different to work with. And I love that it's like a mix of usually like stickers and washi or different pieces. So that's part of why I like kind of the company in these kits is everything just looks nice and cohesive. I love these little flowers that are on here. The nice simple little black and white botanical pieces. And this is lock and key. I think I'll put those there. And that may be it. I can't think of anything else I'm going to put down. I think I'm really just going to put the list along the bottom, and yeah, keep it simple this week. And then each day I'll just fill things in from the bottom. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and fill that in, and I'll give you guys a peek at what it looks like when it's all done. Here it is all filled in. So each day I'll just pick from the kind of items that I want to get done on the bottom. And yeah, I really like the way that this spread turned out. So I hope you guys have enjoyed the video, and I will see you soon. Bye.